Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to animate your text in a video with the floating animations. So here I've already imported a video and I want to add text. So go straight to text and add any text that you want. Okay, and then you can choose your favorite font. Okay, for example this one, and I'm going to change the style. Okay, after that, to create a floating animation, you just need to go to animation and then click on the loop option, and in here there will be a float animations that you can use. So click on that and adjust on how fast or slow you want the floating animations on the text. Okay, after that just click on the check icon and this will be the result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.